Well, it turns out that 2/3 of people abandon their New Year's resolutions by February 1st. And coincidentally, that is tomorrow. So, to get a little bit help and a jump start for all of us, we've got registered dietitian Amy Goodson to help us out. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me.
I'm glad that you're here. Obviously, we need help. At least 2/3 of us do. Why, first of all, is it so hard for us to stick to the goals that we actually set out to accomplish?
So many people make really lofty goals and they change everything overnight. And the reality is that just isn't sustainable. And so many of those goals start with eating better and exercising more. And we know that long term, that takes quite a bit of commitment to be successful. So, really, the key is to make one or two small changes, convert those into habits, then make another change. But for oftentimes people are like, that's too difficult or whatnot, or they want to go all in and not just make those small changes. But I've got some tips today that are going to help you out with the small changes and making those habits.
All right. Well, let's start with one of the resolutions that I know a lot of people have. That is to cut sugar.
So I always tell clients, think about what might derail your goal, right? What's going to take you off track. And when you think about cutting out refined sugar, my question is, what are you going to do when you crave something sweet? Because we know that that's going to happen. So my encouragement is to look for natural sweetness. So one of my favorites is using fruit. So Natural Delights Medjool dates is really a go-to for me. They're a whole fresh fruit and they're going to give you that natural sweetness that you crave. But the bonus is the fiber found in dates helps you feel fuller longer after eating. So that can help manage those cravings. So if you're looking for a sweet treat, girl, I've got to introduce you to one of my favorite no cook recipes, these Medjool date raw energy bars. Now, these are made, they're made with dates, cashews, unsweetened cocoa. They have some almonds, coconut, vanilla, and then a little bit of water. And I mean, I know you're going to laugh when I tell you this, but they really taste like fudge. So you pulse them in a food processor, put them in a pan, let them sit in the fridge. You have this delicious sweet treat. And then so many people always look to add more color to what they're eating, which is a great goal. And dates can really provide that pop of natural sweetness to veggie dishes like my fiery Brussels sprouts, guaranteed to get your family eating more veggies. And when I talk to families, I tell parents, you can feel good about adding dates to different meals and snacks because they're packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals. So win-win for cooking.
Those energy bars are great in the morning and the afternoon, but you also have another afternoon pick-me-up that's going to help us get through those hours into the evening.
Yes, one of my best recommendations for people is to have healthy snacks on hand so that you have a healthy snack to choose from. So if you're looking for a boost of natural energy in the afternoon, I am all about pureeing Medjool dates into little energy bites. So I made these with peanut butter, toasted coconut, some protein powder, seeds, and of course, some dark chocolate chips. You roll those into balls, let them set in the fridge. You can pop these in your kid's lunchbox. You could pop them in your purse. They're a great pre-workout snack. So I'm loving the natural sweetness of Natural Delights Medjool dates. And you can find them at Harris Teeter, Safeway, Walmart, and then online at naturaldelights.com.
I'm getting so many ideas. I'm really excited for even my daughter's lunch now with the little date balls. That's great. And then sticking to a workout, we've got good food for us, but sticking to that workout, any tips for that?
So my best two recommendations are number one, put exercise on your calendar like it's a meeting. And then if you have to skip the meeting, reschedule it. So rescheduling that exercise. Then number two, making sure that you fuel your body before exercise and refuel after with high quality protein. And believe it or not, one of the best ways to do that is actually with a glass of good old cow's milk. So one of my favorites is A2 milk. Now, if you don't know about A2, this is 100% real dairy milk from local US farms, and it comes from cows that naturally produce only the A2 protein. So it's easier on digestion and may help some people avoid discomfort, making it the ultimate solution for pre and post exercise. So pre-exercise, I say make it easy, make something that you can do the night before. So I love overnight oats because you can put some oats, your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, add some A2, put a little airtight container, seal that up, pop it in the fridge. Then it's ready to go in the morning. Or if you're going to work out later in the day, you could easily take it with you. Then as a sports dietitian, I'm all about a post-workout smoothie made with A2 milk and fruit, because this is going to give you that protein, carbohydrate, and fluid to help with recovery. So staying on track for 2022, meeting those exercise goals, you can do that by using some of these nutrient-rich foods, and you can look for A2 milk both at Safeway and at Giant.
All right, Amy, where should we go for more information and to check out your website?
You can visit my website, amygoodsonrd.com.
All right, Amy, we appreciate you being on, and we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.